Oh my god, this is a mess. Melissa, please don't die. I hope you never die. Like, never. I hope you become immortal someday. Because you deserve the world. Girl, get out of there! Why are you still there? It's supposed to be... So you kick his ass. Well, at least you're doing something. I mean, not you. Perish. Oh, wait. Ooh. Oh, I wonder who it is. It's probably gonna be someone we know. What if it's Peter again? I bet it's gonna be him.
You and I get Styles to the gate of the closed unit.
Oh god, I'm loving this. Okay, but this is not happening, right?
And when we're gone, all anyone's gonna think is that there's a reboot of the security system caused by a brownout.
Nah.
Any questions? How did I get house in the first place?
What's our worst case scenario if I can't do it?
What if I die?
Everything could go wrong.
Wait. What?
Have you ever actually put that thing on someone?
What?
Not in years.
I'm so confused.
Close the door switch.
Oh, you're gonna die. Ha! That's what happens when you're such a bitch.
Are you so sure it's a he?
Oh.
You still mad at me? My name is Rick.
But if you try to kill my son again, I'll put you in one of these myself.
Yes, Melissa.
She's still mad.
Oh. Yeah. Yeah, I love Melissa.
Okay, the plan. We can make it through. You can, Scott. What do you really want? Now you saw the fresco. Two seriously pissed off creatures, the Hellhound and the Beast fighting over a pile of dead bodies. I don't want to be one of the bodies, it's that simple. I can get you to Lydia.
No. Shut your mouth.
We can see who gets to it first.
No. Yeah, you can be very beautiful and very handsome, but no.
Open them up, please.
Oh my god, you're so annoying. Why you just can't die or something? Leave. Go away. Go to, I don't know, to London. Do something with your life like Isaac did. You see? That's what happens when you're annoying.
Never again.
Still.
15 minutes starting now.
Styles, oh my god.
Breathe.
Oh, that was amazing. You go, Alpha Boy.
We're here to save Lydia. We're here to save our friend.
Malia, you're so beautiful. No. Get it, Kira. You can do it. I believe in you. Yay! Nice! Do it! Do it! Do it!
Charity's working.
I wanted you dead.
Ooh, yeah! You deserve that.
Do it again.
Ooh!
It's gotta be harder than that. Do it! Do it!
Boomba! Bruh. This is intense. Come on! Why are you so slowly? No! No! Can you move? Stop looking! Oh my god, you're so slow. This is so frustrating. Come on. Where is he? Boomba! Boom! Behind him. Oh no. Dude, stop! Yeah! My boy! Ah, this is so amazing! Yeah! This is like that moment in season 4, in the first episode. Take that, motherfuckers! Yeah. Come on. That's it? No! Bitch! What the hell, man? That was so good. Oh man, I can't believe I have to wait another week. Well, not another week, but like, because I haven't waited at all. But yeah, anyways, if you enjoyed the video, guys, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to see more reactions. And I'll see you guys next week.